Hello everyone, Nicky Hungerford with Universal Lending Corporation. So there are some things going on in the market right now that we need to get better prepared for. I posted this morning on Facebook that all VA transactions, the VA appraisers, are 20 days out. Um, so what I'm suggesting and what I have suggested to all of the agents that I work with is much like the inspection is a cost that the borrower has to be willing to risk. The appraisal cost right now is something that the borrower has to be willing to risk, meaning we need to be able to order the appraisal as soon as the borrower goes on under contract. Now, just because VA is 20 days out doesn't mean that that's going to affect your conventional buyers or your FHA buyers, but FHA and conventional are only about 5 days less, so they're at about 15 days out in turn times. So when you're talking with your buyers, and it's something that I've been talking to buyers about on my transactions, is you have to be willing to risk the inspection fee. You also have to be willing to risk the appraisal fee. Because most of the time the inspections are not getting done before the appraisals are getting done. Now on an FHA transaction, you obviously have no real appraisal deadline, but I just want you to be aware of what those term times are and to be realistic and have realistic expectations. And if a lender comes back to you and says we need an extension on the appraisal, it's not necessarily that the lender has dropped the ball or there's a problem with the loan. It just means that things are really backed up. We are in an amazing market right now where, as you know, things are flying off the market faster than they hit the market. And that causes a backlag for underwriting. Same thing for appraisers. The title companies are swamped. This is all really good news. I don't mean it as Debbie Downer, but I do want to get the information out that appraisals are very, very backed up, and everybody is offering as much money as they can to the appraisers to get them to take our deals over somebody else's deals. We're really trying to be proactive. And in that, I need your help in communicating with buyers that cost of the appraisal, which for me at my company on a conventional or an FHA loan is $450, needs to be something that they are willing to risk to move forward with their transaction and keep as close to, if not meeting all of the deadlines as possible. So I hope that helps you a little bit. If you have questions about that, any concerns, things like that, of course, talk with your lender. Make sure that you have a good idea of what the dates look like. Be patient with each other. Work with each other as much as you can on dates. I know for me, I'm doing everything I can to hold all of the transactions together and communicate effectively on what dates and when expectations can or cannot be met. So again, Nicky Hungerford, Universal Lending. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will talk with you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.